How's it going, everybody? We back for another one. We're going to be giving a shout out to my man Luis, who has been earning real big utilizing this program and actually exercising the training and the back office and the mentor help that you get with weekly coaching calls and daily action steps on what to do and how to make content that drives traffic to your website and drives your target audience and buyers to your website. So we're going to go and check out Luis Chan. Big congratulations, made $112 in the last 24 hours just by following the proven step-by-step blueprint, working only 2 hours a day, you guys. 2 hours a day is all it takes to really put this into order, put everything into action, and be able to have a sustainable online business with the mentoring and the coaching and stuff. So big shout out to you, Luis, and congratulations on your $1,200 day. Now, if you've been in any type of online business or have not been in any type of online business, this is a great opportunity. And with this program, where the mentor Michelle, she's gonna give you a daily actionable a daily actionable video that you can put into action, so you know what to do to build up that content. You know, we're having our 90-day legacy run, and we're in day 39. So this is a video for day 39 with the legacy run, and today's the 11th of May, so we're 11 days into our 10K in May runoff. You want to be able to be added to that 10K in May runoff and get with a program and a community that's supportive and that's there to help you. And this is a great opportunity, something to check out. Over here inside the group, I want to share with you some of the other wins. 13 minutes ago, Ashley says $300 ding before 8:30. Browsing Amazon on Saturday morning when it got a $300 upgrade to Legacy randomly came in. Woo-hoo, congratulations. Let's go, Ashley. Congrats. We got Rachel Coleman almost to 800 on TikTok. Please help me get 100K TikTok. So on TikTok, they say you need about 1,000 followers to start going live. But as I noticed, I was only at 800 and some followers, and they let me go live with that business account. So with the business account, TikTok, you can go live. So congrats on being up to 800 followers. That's a really good step up. 24 hours ago, $900, my second one today. Awesome. Only what is it? Only 8:55 into the day, 24 hours ago. So as you guys can see, this program is helping to change a lot of people's lives. And if you ever get stuck and feel like you can't do this, you can always come into the community. Check out the wins inside of the community. I'm going to show you our calendar real quick, just so you can see that for the whole month of May, everything is packed. Everything. We have three mentor Zoom calls a week. This is to help you in your online business, to help you get going and help things really take off for you. So got my baby girl, she right here hanging out with the family today. So if you want to check out what this legacy program has to offer, it does come in four product plans. The $100 launch pad basically give you the kind of nuts and bolts on how to get some stuff going and launch the profit from day 1 to day 7. We have the daily passive blueprint, which is going to give you a little bit more training. They're going to show you how to grow a following with social media, and you're going to get the same type of mentoring with that. Then you have the digital mastery course, which is a $600 program, where you're going to get all the butts, notes, and whistles. You also get a bonus within this program that's going to give you over 20 extra training modules. Canva crash course. The program is so, I can't even speak, I'm lost for words. It's one of the best that I've seen in the last couple of years that came around, along with IPS, Infinity Processing System. this lady Michelle has utilized the training in there and became a millionaire, and now she's showing her exact strategies on what she do day to day, so that way she can have a successful life and you guys can have a successful online business too. Sorry, you hear my baby crying in the background. I am at work. I do this from work full time. I love doing this. It's a stretch from when I used to be a manufacturer worker, getting up every morning and going to work every morning. So just to be here on a Saturday is awesome. So if you guys want to check out the website and what it has to offer, you can hit the link in the description and get over to the website. You're going to go into the capture page and you're going to come to this thank you page where my mentor Michelle is going to explain to you more on what the program is about, what it has to offer. And that's my time with you guys. I'll give it with you guys later.